Let us understand the terms of Bhokta, Bhojyam and Bhojanam first. Bhokta is the one who enjoys. Bhojyam is the act of enjoyment. For example, it may be singing. Bhojanam is the object of enjoyment, which is the music. Sri Shankaracharya says there is something that is other than these, which is the soul, that is the eternal, unchanging witness. To understand this further, the ocean is taken as a metaphor. The ocean has its different aspects, like its vast waters, undulating waves, and the frothy foam. These are going to be compared with subject who enjoys, that is Bhokta, Bhojyam, the act of enjoyment, and Bhojanam, the object of enjoyment. Though the vast waters, undulating waves, and frothy foam are viewed as different things, they are the ones that all together form the ocean. Each of the aspects of waters, waves, and foam may change. Let us see how. The waters may freeze and form an iceberg due to cold, or the water levels in the ocean may increase due to the rains, or the humidity on the surface of the waters may be formed due to the heat. In all these we see the ocean to continue to exist and witness each of these changes of water. Similarly, the waves may be formed due to the blowing of strong winds, or absent when the weather is pleasant, or the formation of dangerous mighty waves during a storm. Again we see the ocean continues to exist and witness the changes of the different waves. Thirdly, the foam gets formed when waves crash onto the shores. But on gentle waters the foam is absent. When the water is very turbulent, we find abundant thick foam. Here also we see that the ocean continues its existence and is the eternal witness to all the changes of the foam. Now let us see the three aspects of the self. The bhokta or the subject may be a friend or may be a foe. Bhojyam or the act may be either helpful or hurtful. Bhojanam or the object of the enjoyment may be amity or enmity. Atma or the soul is the witness to each of these changing forms, their roles and their object of enjoyment. The waters or the waves or the foam individually cannot be identified as the ocean, but are only a part of it. Likewise, one is not to identify with the bhokta, the subject who enjoys, or bhojyam, the act of enjoyment, or bhojanam, the object of enjoyment. Aham bhojanam naiva bhojyam na bhokta. Do not identify with these three, but with the oceanic soul that is the eternal witness and remains forever unchanging.